Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. In this lesson, we're going over the if, elif, and else functions. First, let's name our variable fruit and set it equal to apple. When using an if statement, please use a variable, an operator, and a colon at the end of the statement. Let's test it out to see if our variable works by setting a print command. Please hit the F5 key to run the program. Next, let's set an else statement. This statement will execute when the variable name does not equal apple. Please make sure to place a colon after else. Let's test it out. Alright, final concept is the elif function. We use this function when we want to include an additional if statement. When using elif, please make sure the else statement is last. Thank you for watching.